Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can create DataCenter, cluster, add hosts to a cluster, and finally how to join VCSA to the domain using the vSphere web console. If you are following this video series, we have a domain environment where we installed and configured ESXi host and then we installed the VCSA appliance on the same host. I highly recommend watching previous videos, if you are new to the channel. In this video we will create Toronto DataCenter and then configure our first management cluster. We'll then add ESXi and 02 hosts under the same cluster. On the home screen of the VMware vSphere web client, select Hosts and Clusters. Right-click the vCenter server object and select New DataCenter option. In the New DataCenter dialog box, type a name for the DataCenter object and click OK. Right-click on newly created DataCenter object and then select New Cluster option. In the New Cluster dialog box, enter a name for the cluster and click OK. We are not configuring any other options, such as DRS or high availability. We'll discuss and configure those settings in my next coming videos. Verify that the cluster object has been created. Next, we are now ready to add our ESXi hosts 01 and 02 to this cluster. Select the cluster object, right-click it, then select Add Host option. On the Name and Location section, enter the host name or IP address of the ESXi host, then click Next. On the Connection Settings section, enter the authentication credentials for the root user account, then click Next. On the Security Alert dialog box, click Yes. On the Assign License section, enter license information or select the evaluation license and click Next. On the Lockdown Mode section, accept the default setting of Disabled and click Next or follow your company security policies. On the Ready to Complete section, review the configuration settings and click Finish. As we can see that our first ESXi host is added successfully along with VCSA virtual machine that runs on the same host. Follow the same steps to add next ESXi 02 host under same cluster. ESXi 02 host is now successfully added to our management cluster. To view and manage VCSA or ESXi hosts license, click on Menu option on top and then select Administration. Click on Licenses and you will find the option to manage licenses for your VMware products and assets. We are heading now to the final configuration of this video, which is to join VCSA appliance to our Techhandy Active Directory domain. Under the same administration menu, expand Single Sign-On, select the configuration option, and then click on the Active Directory domain option. As you can see, VCSA is currently not joined to any domain. In order to join appliance to Active Directory, click on Join AD. Enter the Active Directory credentials and hit Join. You must need to restart your VCSA in order to apply configurations. We are now ready to restart our VCSA appliance. You can restart the appliance from vSphere Web Console or from ESXi Host where the appliance is running. The restart time depends on your resources and can take between 10 to 20 minutes or more. If you have standalone VCSA environment, the vSphere Web Console will be unavailable until VCSA all services came back online. Verify vCenter appliance entry in your domain environment. Keep patience and don't get scared by this error during the restart process of VCSA. VCSA still needs some more time to bring services and database up and accessible, because we are using an embedded platform services VCSA. vSphere web client is almost ready and we will shortly be able to reach the credentials page. We are finally ready to log in back to our vSphere web page. As you can see, we successfully joined VCSA appliance to our Techhandy domain. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.